Hello everyone, it's Sylvia here. I just wanted to share with you a little bit about 6 Minutes to Success. This is an awesome program that's run by the lovely Bob Proctor, and it's literally about watching a 1-minute video and then having 4 to 5 minutes reflection on that every day. And it really does empower you. I've been working with this with Bob Proctor for something on and off for over 2 years now, and I really find that I just can't start my day unless I've done my 6 Minutes to Success with Bob Proctor. Working with a lot of the principles of Napoleon Hill and other great writers and spiritual teachers. It just gives you a little something to focus on each day and challenge you, and gradually you find that you are more focused, and it helps change the programming in here. I'm really glad that I decided to work with 6 Minutes to Success. Check it out by clicking on the link below, and I hope you find as much pleasure and help from it as Sylvia has done. So that's 6 Minutes to Success with Bob Proctor. Can't start my day without it.